Guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your favorite girl, Berizzy of BERIZZYs Closet. And if you don't know, BERIZZYs Closet is an online boutique that sells female clothes from a size small all the way up to a size 4XL. So please check me out, and I promise you will not be disappointed. On my channel, I talk about everything beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, and I throw in some advice as your big sister. So if that's what you're looking for, please click on that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post beautiful and amazing content like this. And let's get right into the video for today. So guys, I've not been in the makeup space for a while, but coming back into it again because this is my passion. I've been hearing a lot of rave about the Charlotte Tilbury product, and today I was like, let me go get some and then let me come on here and do my review as I do a makeup bit for you all. And if you don't know, I'm doing a series of love, yes, because we're in the month of love. And also I just realized this is Black History Month, so I'm gonna be celebrating Black history when all my black people are here, okay? So I was like, let me run to Sephora, because apparently that's the only place they have it. So I went to Sephora and I got myself some of the Charlotte Tilbury products because, baby, I'm not even gonna lie to you, I did spend some coins, okay? They're expensive. So I was able to get the foundation, concealer, the setting spray, and then a setting powder and a lipstick, and I'm going to be using it with other products in between. So I'm going in with my moisturizing serum from Ordinary, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. For primer today, I decided to go with the Urban Decay face primer, and this one is a dewy foundation. I'm trying to get that balance effect because my skin is a bit too dry, so I do not want to be doing matte all the way. I'm going to apply this primer, and then I'm going to take a foundation brush and just blend it in. Using my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade number 8, I'm going to apply this all over my lid. This, I really like to use it when I'm trying to get just a clean canvas. I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury finish powder and I'm going to use it to set my eyes. Guys, this is so lightweight, it feels so light. So for my eyes, I'm going in with my chocolate palette from Too Faced and my Juvia's Place palette. Using this regular brush right here, I'm just going in with this orange shade into my eye, into the crease of my eyes.
Hi guys, hello, subscribe.
Then using a fluffier brush, I'm going to use this shade and just blend the top nicely. I'm going to take this small brush and then use the black shade in my chocolate palette. I'm going to just dab it right on the outer part of my eyes like so. I'm going to go in again into my Juvia's Place using this dark brown. That's what I'm going to use now to just blend all of this black into my crease. Next, I'm going to be using this flat angle brush, this brown shade and a little bit of the pink. This palette is very pigmented, which is why I did not bother to use concealer to create a cut crease, and I don't want to form a cut crease, just a basic cut crease. Then I'm going in again with my black a little bit more to just darken this side up a little bit more. Wow, that's it. It's looking so, I don't know how to explain it. It's looking so good. Then to blend everything in, I'm going in with my NYX eyeliner. We're going to start from the back. Now that I'm done with my eyes, let's go into my face, and I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful Charlotte Tilbury foundation. It's the Airbrush Flawless Foundation, stays all day and night. So we're gonna see. I might try to leave it on for the rest of the day. And it says it's a full coverage foundation with a flawless matte, long-lasting finish. Apply your Airbrush Flawless Foundation, blending outwards from the center of your face for a flawless airbrush finish. Ooh, it's a bit runny. Let's apply 2 pumps first. I got my skin shade. It smells good. Oh my gosh. It is really weightless, like, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're definitely going to need more pumps. So guys, I've applied a lot to my face. Like, you have to literally pump a little bit of this, and I have a bigger face, so. But it's giving skin. I don't know, maybe get a shade darker, but I don't know, because during the summer I get dark. But so far I really like this coverage. Like, it feels like nothing is on my face. Like, legit, that's how I feel right now. Okay, the hype is okay. I just feel like it's not really full coverage. You gotta build it up a little bit since it has this airbrush effect, because it feels like nothing is on my face, for real. It feels like I don't have anything on, but there's something, and I'm liking it. I love the smell, so if you don't like fragrance, this will definitely not be for you. I also got the concealer, and I got it in the shade number 14. So it's the Beautiful Skin Radiance Concealer. Clinically proven results, correct, conceals, correct, brightens and lifts the look of the skin. It's a medium buildable coverage, and this one says it's 16 hours wear. So it has a lot of claims. Let's see. I only got one concealer, so I don't know how we're going to do this, because I really love when my under eye is bright, and then on my nose, my forehead, and my chin. I'm going to be using the setting spray to spray my beauty blender. Let it set for a little bit, and then let's see. It's giving melted. This is what my face is looking like after, using just one coat of the concealer. I want my under eyes a little bit brighter, so I'm going to add a second coat since it says it's buildable. I'm going to wait a few minutes for it to dry down just a little bit so it becomes tacky. So this is what my face is looking after 2 coats of the concealer, and I'm liking it. I'm also going to go in and contour my face using my Fenty Beauty Stick, contour stick. I'm going in with my Juvia's Place liquid blush called Dahlia. Now let's apply that to my cheeks. Just give it a nice tap. If this is your first time seeing me, you don't know I'm the queen of blush. I love blush, so don't be upset. My blush is always looking extra in the beginning, but I promise you it's gonna look put together by the end. Now I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Perfecting Micro Powder. That's what I'm going to use to set all the places that I highlighted. Feels so light. I still feel like I really want to have a little bit more on my face. Like, it's not looking bad, it's really lightweight. I wish they had like a loose powder that would just set everything in place. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe, and I'm using my triangle again. Just going to go over what I just set now. Whilst that's setting, let's go in with my contour palette, Morphe, and just contour everywhere that I applied my cream contour to. You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. Losing your patience, I already have. I'm going to go in again with my Charlotte Tilbury finishing powder. I'm going to use it to dust off everything from my face. This powder feels so soft, like it feels like there's barely anything going on my face. By the way, this post is not sponsored in any way, shape or form. This is with my hard-earned money. To set my face, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. It's the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. It says party all night, stay all day. And it primes and sets for up to 16 hours. Instantly locks in your look for makeup magic that looks just applied. Okay, so no melting, no fading, no creasing. Hold 6 to 8 inches away and mist over entire face before and after applying. I did it before and I'm using it now again after. Everything about this collection is so soft. Like, it doesn't even feel like something was coming on my face. Like it's really lightweight. So I'm just hoping like that it goes well, and it just feels like, I don't know, it's really lightweight. Whilst my face is setting, let's go in again to my eyes, and I'm just going to apply it to the bottom of my eyes. For mascara, I'm going in again with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Then I'm using a flat brush. I'm just going in with this dark shade from my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm mixing it with this orange shade and just applying it under my eyes. And voila, my eyes are all done. I'm going to be applying my eyelashes off camera, but let's get into my cheeks. I'm going to go with my Juvia's Place blush palette. I'm going to be mixing both this deep orange and just a little bit of this one for my cheeks. For highlights, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier loose highlights powder. Using a fan brush, I'm going to dip it in just a little bit and then just apply it all on my cheeks like so. I just love to go in again with my big fluffy brush and just blend everything in. For my lips, I'm going to go in with my pencil again. I'm just going to use this pen to just go over my outer lip. I chose to use a pencil because I do not want the lipstick I'm going to use to mix. If I had used another lipstick like that, it would be hard to put the lipstick on. For lipstick, I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury Femme Flame lipstick. This is a beautiful red lipstick. It's not as bright as I wanted, but let's give it a try and see. So I'm just gonna apply it. So this is what the lipstick is looking like. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really feeling this red because I'm a red girl. If I want red, I want it really red. I feel like on a dark skin, it's too dark in a way. Like, for my skin tone, I don't think this is popping the way I wanted it to. You know, if it's on a lighter skin person, I think this will be a bright red, but for me that I'm dark skin like this is not popping or giving what I want it to give. Let me apply my lashes and I will be back. So ta-da! So guys, this is the finished look. Yes, your girl is looking all pretty, all glammed up, and ooh, I'm here for it. So guys, what do I think about this foundation? Like, I really love the foundation. I love the coverage, the weight of it. It feels really, really nice. I love the concealer. However, I still see a little bit of crease under my eyes. So we'll have to work on that a little bit more. But overall, I like the product. The price point is a little up there. This is what it cost me. The concealer was $33. The Urban Decay primer was $39. The lipstick was $35, and the foundation was $49, and the setting spray was $38. And finally, the powder, which is the travel size, was $28. Baby, that's a little high, but trust me, for the quality, I'm not gonna complain. I'll always say this: it doesn't matter how much you buy the foundation, the application is what matters. As long as you can apply your products really well, you will have a look as similar as this. However, the quality does matter, and I would say that I'm impressed with the foundation. I really like it. Would I be buying it again? Maybe, maybe not, because the price, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little on the higher side. But hey, for me, I feel like it is worth it. And if you got the coins, spend it. But if you don't worry about it. You can still achieve this beautiful look with any other drugstore foundation or products that you have. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video, and I want to say a big thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. I really appreciate you. Comment down below, let me know what you think about those foundations, the products that I used, and also if you have any question, or if there's something else you want me to see or try, if there's a product you want me to try, comment down in the comment section below, let me know. And if you've not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post beautiful and amazing contents like this. And until next time, I remain your favorite girl, Berizzy, signing out. And oh, one more thing, please go and watch my other videos. Like, I got a list of them over here and some over here. So until next time, bye bye.
I'ma go to